What is citizenship? Citizenship is a relationship between an individual and a state. Who is citizen? A citizen who is legally recognized as the subject matter of a state. Indian Constitution deals with citizenship in two ways. First, from the commencement of the Constitution, that is 26th January 1950, and the Citizenship Act of 1955. Hey everybody, welcome back to Liga Abhyas. In this video, we will talk about part 2 of the Constitution, that is citizenship. It consists Article 5 to 11. Article 5. Citizenship by domicile or by permanent residence in India. And there are 3 conditions out of which one could be fulfilled. Any person who is born in India, any of his or her parents born in India, or any person who is residing in India for 5 years immediately before the commencement of the Constitution. Article 6. Any person who is migrated from Pakistan to India, or either of his or her parents or grandparents born in undivided India shall be citizens of India. Article 7. Persons who left India and migrated to Pakistan but later returned back to India shall be citizen of India. Article 8. Persons who resided outside India at the time of commencement of the Constitution, provided that he or she or his or her parents or grandparents born in undivided India could apply for citizenship with Indian Council let at abroad. Other provisions of Part 2. Article 9 states that persons who voluntarily acquired citizenship of a foreign state shall not be the citizen of India. Article 10 ensures the continuance of rights of citizenship. Article 11 gives powers to Parliament to make provisions with respect to citizenship. Subsequently, the Parliament has enacted Citizenship Act of 1955, which was amended number of times, and lastly it was amended in 2019. That is Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019.